Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. So as you can tell by the title, it is time to get glammed and it's time to get ready for my birthday trip. Okay, now my birthday is not until the 16th, but we are leaving on the 7th. There's just like a whole reason behind it, but we come back on the 17th, so I'll still be able to celebrate my birthday while I'm gone. It's time to get glammed. I've been looking rough for way too long. Okay, these eyebrows, my lashes, my hair. Obviously I just got a haircut, so my hair is not bad. Right now it's a mess up in this ponytail. I'm not going to my regular girl for lashes just because I waited till the last minute and she's booked up, so I had to find another girl who does some bomb lashes too. So ooh, I need to get out, I'm about to be late. Okay, let me show you the before because I'm running late and I'm about to pull up. But this is what my lashes are looking like, non-existent. And let's see the after. Ooh, look at those eyebrows, oh my gosh. All right, we are done. Don't mind the like deep, freaking deep circles under my eyes. Little pads under there in the tape. So my little deep circles are even like deeper right now. But lashes are popping. Super full. She did a good job. This is my first time getting my lashes done by her. The studio super cute, super clean, love that. So now it's time to head on home and make some food because I'm hungry and it's time to eat. So, and Babe's calling me, so let me go ahead and call him back. So good morning. It is early, my eyes are heavy. I'm getting ready to head to the gym, take you through the day with me, full day of eating and training and all of that. So I got my water here. I'm actually not gonna eat this morning just because I am not really hungry. I'm gonna work out fasted and I ate pretty late last night, so I'll just use that fuel to get me through today's workout. It's starting to get a little cold, so gotta pop a sweater on. I'm gonna just take you through today's workout. Today we're hitting quads and glutes, and then I got cardio. So yeah, we're counting down the days. I just get through today's work, get through tomorrow, and leave Thursday morning. Yes.
Black boy joy, she wanna see the Forbes like I wanna see her form. Tell me what you for, yeah. Ayy, you pay me but I'm old, yeah. Yeah, all this money on me. Yeah, cash rules all around me. Yeah, all this money around me. Yeah, cash rules all around me.
How you feel like a man with that? I tell a long little real life, stay true to that. Hey, no mind, how you feel like a man with that? I tell a long little real life, stay true
to that. Big bags, my back ache through customs. You travel like you must be tough out of your luck, huh? I'm that go-to when she down to come through clutch, huh? Sit brown till I'm flush time. My drip real plush, huh? Internet tea off a blue pill. Hand grip stack of the blue cheese. Turn that to a bag in a new crib. Nice big spot by the seaside. Never stressed on for a handout. Just ain't on what I be on. Just ain't on, need to be right, yeah. Gold fronts to show the color of my soul. Cool you think you is, you got me in a mode. Where I'm from, we live and die by the code. Either that or sell your soul to get a roll. Black boy joy, she wanna see the Forbes like I wanna see her form. Tell me what you for, yeah. Ayy, you pay me but I'm old, yeah.
All right, I'm done with the workout. I struggled through every last minute of that workout. It felt like it took me forever to get it done. Now I'm gonna head home and I'll probably have a protein coffee and then shower and stuff like that, and then in a little bit I'll make breakfast. So that was rough, but All right, I'm back. It's been actually a few hours. I had to run and go get a COVID test before we leave. So I had to go do that, but let me show you what I'm eating because I'm starving and I'm actually getting like a hunger headache. So this is what we got for breakfast. Some black beans, some hash browns, 2 eggs, and then 3 slices of turkey bacon. And yeah, I have this, and then I'm gonna clean up my apartment and actually start packing, getting my stuff together, and cleaning, because tomorrow I'll have like a lot of filming and editing and stuff to do. So today I want to pack and clean, and then I'll be back to show you what I'm gonna be having for my next meal. Hi guys, so I'm currently interrupting the vlog to bring you today's sponsor. Now, if you are not new to my channel, then you are very familiar with this brand. You know who this brand is. It is Yvette Sports. So thank you so much, Yvette Sports, for sponsoring today's video. Now, if you're not sure who they are, if you've never heard of them, they are a women's sports brand who really focuses on bringing high quality, fashionable, and affordable fitness apparel to women of all sizes, all shapes. Now, what I love about them the most is how inclusive they are. And they're all about supporting women, for women, and on top of that, they are big on supporting the environment. So that's one of the reasons why I support them. But prior to us working together, I've been shopping with them for a very long time. They have some of my favorite leggings that I wear religiously. I'm gonna be showing you 3 new sports bras from them, as well as a new pair of leggings. The leggings they sent me are the Shift leggings. And if you see my affordable like leggings haul, so those are the ones that I always purchase from them. They're like thin, but not see-through, like second skin, super comfortable to work out in. I can do a lot of movement and they stay in place. I feel like I can work out in those as well as wear them out just on my normal day-to-day because how comfortable they are. They absorb sweat well. I can move well in them. They stay put when I'm jumping around. So I'm absolutely obsessed with those. Now with the sports bras, I have 3 different sports bras for you. So right now I'm wearing the Limitless sports bra. And this is probably hands down my favorite sports bra. I have like 4 or 5 different sports bras from them. And this is absolutely number 1. I believe I sized down in this one. I'll list all my sizing and everything down below. But with this sports bra, it just like, I feel so supported. You need these high support sports bras because they're gonna keep you in place. They're comfortable, it doesn't dig in. Like after a while when I'm wearing my sports bras all day, like some other brands, I feel like it gets uncomfortable because it's digging in my skin. I have never had that issue with Yvette sports bras. Like even though this is nice and tight, like you can see my back, it's not digging in. Zippers in the front, it's nice and open in the back. And this one doesn't come with cups, which is right up my alley because any sports bra I get, I pull out the cups anyway. I'll also show you the Limitless Mesh Plunge sports bra, which is just so cute. Like a nice deep V cut with the mesh up front, but it still gives you great support. And then also the Enfold crisscross strappy bra. Like I love that these sports bras are super high support, but they're also super cute as well. So you don't have to sacrifice, you know, comfort and support for the look, you know? I did work out in one of the sets just so I can show you what it looks like with me bouncing around, moving around, jumping around. If you know me, you know I love circus style training, you know I love plyometrics, I love to jump and move, and I need to make sure that I'm comfortable and supported while I'm working out. My girls are in place. The leggings are staying put. They're not dropping, sliding down. I'm not pulling them up throughout my workout. So make sure to use my code Kesha10. We'll get you 10% off your entire order. Or if you spend over $109, use Kesha15 and you will get 15% off your entire order. So thank you again, Yvette Sports, for sponsoring today's video. And let's jump back into the vlog. Guess who's been asleep all day? Me. I haven't got done half the stuff that I need to get done. So it is 6 o'clock or 6:30. I've been asleep for like 4 hours. Like I don't know how that happened, but it's time to have my next meal. In here I got my little spicy tuna bowl situation. We got some jasmine rice under there. I got my tuna, cucumbers, avocado, and then the little fukaki. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correctly, but the little seasoning on top. So this is the next meal that I'm going to have. And then I gotta play catch up. I'm behind. I still got like a snack or 2 I need to have. Wait, actually, what do I have to eat? This is super filling, so probably not gonna eat it until like 9 or something. So I'm gonna have this. And then clean my apartment, start packing, and then hopefully then I'll be hungry and I'll check back in a little bit. So good, like my favorite thing to eat. All right, here we go. Last meal of the day. Got some shrimp, avocado, and some broccoli. And then I'll probably have something sweet after. And then got my Diet Coke on deck. So this is what I'm about to have. All right, we are winding down, getting ready to go to bed. But I want something sweet, so we're gonna have something sweet. So I got some mochis. This one is the absolute best, the triple chocolate one. It has like little chocolate pieces inside too, but I found one that is vegan, so I'm gonna try this one just because, you know, we gotta keep it easy on the dairy. And then mango is super good as well. So mochi has like great macros, okay? So if you need something sweet, just have you like 1 or 2 of these and you are good, honey. The vegan one. Dang, this thing is hard as a rock. I can taste the coconut. Oh yeah, definitely coconut based. It's good. Obviously, it's not as good as this one. This one is fire, but still good. Yeah. I'm gonna have 2 of these. I'm gonna call it a night. So I'm back. We finished the works. We get the nails, the toes, the hair, and all of that good stuff. So I just got back from the gym and I have so much stuff to do today. It's unreal. I leave tomorrow. So I need to wash this hair because I'm getting ready to get my hair done. I was gonna have her do all of that stuff for me, but since I'm kind of starting my hair journey over again, I am going to be taking care of my hair myself. Now before I wash my hair, I'm gonna do like a pre-shampoo mask. So I'm gonna add some argan oil all over my hair, and then I'm also gonna do the curl enhancing smoothie, coconut hibiscus from Shea Moisture. So my hair is dry. My hair actually isn't that dry, but I'm gonna be doing a clarifying shampoo and all of that and really getting in there. So I'm gonna be doing like pre-wash. Before I wash my hair, I'm gonna start putting like oils and stuff in it and letting that sit for about 30 minutes or so before I go in and like shampoo my hair. Right, she is oily, honey. Now I'm gonna go in with the smoothie and cover my hair in this as well. A plastic cap on, and I'm gonna let this sit for like 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna shower and wash my hair and then deep condition. All right, nails are done. I just went with a little French tip, same on my toes. Now I'm literally speeding over to my hair appointment. Thank goodness that I did this on accident, but where my nail salon is and where I'm getting my hair done is only 5 minutes from each other. And I'll get there literally on time at 2 o'clock. So I hate being late. I hate being late. So headed to my hair appointment now. Ugh, my nails, my toes just feel so much better. Ugh, it's been literally like over like 2 months since I got my nails and toes done, so. Baby, excuse me? Look at this hair. It's so thick and full, and when she blew it out, it looks like my hair blown out. Obviously, I'm gonna wear it like this and straightened and curled, but I'm also gonna wear it in this like curly state too to see how it looks with my natural hair. But We're giving the old school Kim K, okay? Love it. Love it. She killed it. And I'll definitely link all of her information down below too. If you're in the Denver area, need your hair done. Good morning.